Okay, so I got the floor panel that I've made myself partially welded in. It's welded along there, excuse the weld, I was adjusting the settings as I was doing it. It gets better around there where I've actually covered, but I'll show you that on the next video. So it's welded in up to here. I've bolted the Magnum valance back on, and the Magnum what they called closing panels back on. The bolt holes line up. I've cut out the rear wheel arch where it was rotten, and I've got to buy a new inside rear subframe support bracket. I'm not sure what it's called, but it goes to the wheel arches and welds to the floor as well. Gives it a bit more strength and ties this corner together a bit more. I've bolted this on just purely to see how well everything lines up, and they all line up really well. Obviously they all need drilling and ready for the plug weld, and I need to paint the insides and stuff like that, but for the best part, this side, apart from the repairs here and that bit I need to buy, and a bit of welding here, is nearly there, ready to be flipped back over. But like I said in the previous video, I'm going to get the complete underside of this back section repaired. I know there's loads more to do on the bottom, but this back section I want completely done, paint all the insides, spot weld the rear valance back on, then I'm going to rotate it back round and do the hinge panel repair and the lower, replace this section here where it's dinted. But I am trying to get as much done as I can, as quick as I can. I want to see this car on the road as soon as possible. I've got a little girl that I want to take out for a drive in it, and I've had it long enough. I've got two more projects that I want to get on with after this one. I've got a 1972 Volkswagen Beetle over there, and I got another Mini that this one and the other one I share with my brother, and we're doing up together. So I want to get them done and out the way so they can be enjoyed. So they will be getting done pretty quick, hopefully. Again, I'm going to have to cut the floor pan that I've made, or bend it up. I'm not sure which way to do it. I don't really want to bend it. I'd rather cut it and join the weld. But I'm going to have to test fit the subframe. Once I've cut that side out and it sits flat, I'm going to test fit the subframe so that I can check that these holes are definitely lining up before I weld the closing panel and that back in place. This is just surface rust, by the way. It's just where it's been stood in the garage. I've got a bit of moisture in the air, so I will clean a lot off. The underside's all clean and that. So okay, I'll bring you back in when I do a bit more. Thanks for watching, guys.